Hello, this is our project on Apes irrigation. So today we'll be going over the 4 types of irrigation: flood irrigation, furrow irrigation, spray, and drip irrigation. So the first type is flood irrigation. This is when you flood an entire crop field like shown on the right, and it's easy and inexpensive, but one of the problems is that a lot of water is lost and it can lead to runoff because you're pouring so much water over the field. And another problem is that soil can become waterlogged and it causes salinization because water is evaporated and the salts are left in the field. So another alternative to flood that's also pretty inexpensive is furrow irrigation. It's very similar to flood, except you dig these channels between the crops, and those are filled with water. But like flood, it's also not very efficient. Water is lost to evaporation and runoff, and it's also easy and inexpensive, and there's a bit less waterlogging than flood irrigation. So the most common type of irrigation is spray irrigation, which is when water is sprayed in the air with sprinklers, which are used to make rainfall. And this is the most common and often used on large scales like farms. It's medium efficiency, and it's also not too expensive, and it's best suited for large areas. And then finally, there's drip irrigation, which is the most expensive type of irrigation. So pipes run through a field and drip water to the plants. It's the most efficient, but it's also very expensive, so it's not often used on large scale. However, it's better than the other because it does not cause salinization. Thank you for listening.